Install print cartridges in an HP Deskjet D2500 series printer. The HP D2500 printer series is an affordable printer that is suitable for everyday printing jobs for the home, school, and office. It has the capability to print borderless photos in bright and intense colors. The black and white prints are almost laser-like in quality. This is a fast and economical printer that has a compact design. Its printing capacity is extended because the ink cartridges are bigger and therefore holds more ink. An HP Deskjet D2500 printer holds two ink cartridges, one for black and the other one in a combo pack of cyan, yellow, and magenta. Once the inks are used up, the indicator lights on the printer will blink and you will not be able to print anything. This signals that you have to replace the ink cartridges with new ones. Below are the steps. The HP Deskjet 2500 printer has two ink status lights. The light on the right will blink when there is a problem with the black ink and the left light blinks when the tricolor ink cartridge encounters a problem. If both lights are blinking, this means that the two cartridges are affected. While the printer is turned on, open the top cover of the printer. The ink cartridge carriage will move to the right of the printer and sit in the ink cartridge well. Wait for the printer to finish its activity and become silent before removing the cartridges. The ink cartridges differ in thickness, with the thinner one for black and the thicker one for the tricolor. To remove the black ink cartridge, press the top of the cartridge and pull it down a bit until the cartridge comes out at an angle and you will be able to remove it from the slot. If you are going to replace the tricolor cartridge, do the same procedure. Open the package containing the new ink cartridge. Remove the plastic casing. The ink nozzles will be covered with a pink plastic pull tape. Remove the pink tape. Make sure that you do not touch the nozzles and the copper contact points. Insert the cartridge into the slot with the HP logo on top and facing the right way. The contact points should be towards the back of the slot. Gently push the cartridge down until it clicks into place and push the slot back until it locks in position. Repeat this step if you are changing the tricolor cartridge. 2. Close the printer cover and wait for the printer to recognize the new ink cartridges and initialize. There will be several passes of the ink cartridges along the rail as the printer clears the nozzles. It is best that you align the new ink cartridges for best printing results. To do this, double-click on the HP Digital Imaging Monitor icon located on your taskbar to display the HP Solution Center. Click Settings Printer Toolbox. In the Printer Toolbox dialog box, choose Align the Print Cartridges option and Print Page. The printer will print 2 pages. The first page will show several lines in different ink colors to show their alignment. Click Continue to print the second page, which will show a square and a big cross. If the alignment is correct, then click the Done button to close the process. If the alignment is not right, then click the Align button to repeat the alignment process. To save on ink, use the draft or grayscale option when you are printing pages that are not to be submitted or meant for general distribution. Use genuine HP ink cartridges to ensure that your print output is of the highest quality that can be achieved using the HP D2500 series printer.